Hello second class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's EVS class. Students, as you know, we are doing block 2, my body, and we already know about some common sickness. Today we will explain what happens when we fall sick. Clear? Now students, these are some common illness, some common sickness like cough, cold and fever. Now students, tell me, what are some common sickness you have had? ऐसी कौन सी कॉमन बीमारियां हैं, कॉमन सिकनेस हैं जो आपको हुई होंगी? लेट्स डिस्कस. वी ऑल हैव हैड द कॉमन कोल्ड और फ्लू, आई और ईयर इन्फेक्शन एंड स्टमक इन्फेक्शन एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. कभी कभी हम सबको हुआ है कोल्ड और फ्लू. वो हमारे आज के टाइम में कोविड-19 के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन हो गया है कोल्ड और फ्लू. And we have also eye and ear infection and sometimes stomach infection also. Clear? Now students, do you know how does one come to know if one is sick? हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि कोई इंसान अभी sick है, बीमार है? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. When we are sick, we show many signs like fever, tiredness, pain in throat and headache. These are called symptoms. When we have the common cold, we show symptoms like a runny nose, fever, cough, sneezing and sometimes pain in the throat. When we have stomach infection, we show symptoms like vomiting, watery stools and stomach pain. I hope you understand the explanation. Now, look at this table, symptoms, signs of a certain sickness. So what is the meaning of symptoms? Signs of a certain sickness. Common cold की क्या क्या symptoms होते हैं? Cough and pain in throat. Fever, throat means गला. So गले में pain होता है और cough होती है बहुत. Fever हो सकता है, runny nose. And stomach infection की क्या क्या symptoms होते हैं? Vomiting, stomach pain and watery stools. Clear? Now it's time for higher order thinking question. Question is, how do we get sicknesses like the flu and infections? हमें flu और infections कैसे हो सकते हैं? Students, many sicknesses like the common cold or stomach infection are caused by germs. ये किन से हमें इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है? germs से. Germs are present in dirty water and even in the air. They are also spread from one person to another by sneezing or coughing. So we have always asked to cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. These germs enter in our bodies and make us sick. We should always drink clean water and eat clean and healthy food to avoid falling sick. I hope it's clear to you all. Now students, please open your content book of EVS. Lesson number 3, when we fall sick. When our body parts do not work properly, we fall sick. The body shows symptoms that tell us that we are sick. हमारी बॉडी में कुछ symptoms नज़र आते हैं जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि we are sick. Common cold, ear or eye infection and stomach infection are some common sicknesses. You can see common cold symptoms: sneezing, feeling cold, runny nose and fever, headache and coughing and pain in throat. So what is the meaning of symptoms? These are the keywords. Symptom, a sign of a disease, and germs, very small living things that can make us sick. So you have to read this lesson. So these are the keywords. First one is symptom, a sign of sickness. Germs, very small living things that can make us sick. Infection, sickness caused by germs. Germs से जो sickness फैलाई जाती है, that is called infection. Stool, unwanted solid waste removed from the body. हमारी body से जो unwanted solid waste remove होता है, that is called stool. Now it's time for the worksheet 2.3. First question is, tick the common sicknesses. Which are the common sicknesses? Eye infection, yes, these are the common sicknesses. Flu, yes, this is also a common sickness. Broken leg is not a common sickness, it may be an accident. Burn on a finger. Burn on a finger. This is also an accident. This is not a common disease. Question number 2. Which of these symptoms will a person have during common cold? कॉमन कोल्ड के टाइम में कौन कौन से सिम्टम्स जो हैं एक पर्सन को हो सकते हैं? टूथ पेन होगा अगर हमें कोल्ड है तो? नो. फीवर, यस, वी विल फील लाइक अ फीवर. एंड रनिंग नोज ऑल्सो. सो वी विल टेक फीवर एंड रनिंग नोज. बी पार्ट. A person has stomach infection. Write 2 symptoms will he show. सो एक पर्सन जो है उसके स्टमक में बहुत स्टमक में इन्फेक्शन है. सो राइट द 2 सिम्टम्स विल ही शो. उसके 2 सिम्टम्स जो हमें बता सकते हैं कि उसके स्टमक इन्फेक्शन हुआ है. ही मे हैव वोमिटिंग. उसको वोमिटिंग होगी. एंड ही मे हैव स्टमक पेन ऑल्सो. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Sam has flu. Sam को flu है. You can see Sam in this picture. He is sneezing without covering his mouth. वो अपने माउथ को कवर किए बिना स्नीज कर रहा है. His friend Anu also gets the flu. Why? उसकी फ्रेंड अनु को भी फ्लू हो गया है. क्यों हुआ उसकी फ्रेंड को फ्लू? The mosquitoes bite made Anu sick. No, मस्कीटो ने तो उसको बाइट ही नहीं किया. The germs from Sam made Anu sick. Yes, जो सैम के जर्म्स हैं वो उन्होंने अनु को सिक कर दिया है. अनु गेट सिक बाय ड्रिंकिंग डर्टी वाटर. नो, अनु डज नॉट टेक डर्टी वाटर. अनु गेट सिक बाय शेकिंग हैंड्स विद सैम. नो, शी इज़ नॉट शेकिंग हैंड्स विद सैम. सो बी पार्ट इज़ करेक्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, you have to complete this worksheet. Now it's time for the practice questions. So practice question 1 is write the correct options to complete each sentences. Sam has a runny nose. He may be having dash. क्या हो सकता है उसको? कॉमन कोल्ड और स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. अगर उसकी नोज़ रन कर रही है, रनी नोज़ है उसकी. यस, ही मे हैव कॉमन कोल्ड. नेक्स्ट वन इज रिया इज वोमिटिंग. शी मे बी हैविंग डैश. शी मे बी हैविंग स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. Second question, John had stomach ache after he ate food from the street. उसने स्ट्रीट से एक फूड ईट किया जिसके बाद उसके स्टमक में पेन हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा. What may be he suffering from? He may be suffering from stomach infection. And B part is write one more symptom John may have. John को एक और symptom कौन सा हो सकता है? He may have vomiting also. He may have watery stools also. Clear? Question number 3. Students, question number 3 is why should we cover our mouths while sneezing? We should cover our mouth while sneezing so that the germs from us do not spread and make sick other persons. Clear? I hope this lesson plan is clear to you all. Now, thank you students for watching this video.